Hello. Welcome to my channel. Creating gorgeous curls doesn't have to be a hassle. If you are struggling to create curls, and if you have been struggling for a while, it is time to try out automatic curling wands. Automatic curling wands are incredibly easy to use, are fast, create beautiful curls, leave your hair looking healthy, and more importantly, are really affordable. In this video, we are going to go through a list of the top 5 best automatic hair curling wands in the market. As at the time of publishing this video, all of these curling wands have positive reviews and are highly rated. We have provided links in the description box below to make it easier for you to check their current ratings, pricing, and updated reviews. In the first place is the CHI Spin & Curl Automatic Curler. This highly rated curler features a 1-inch ceramic barrel, bidirectional buttons, an automatic shut-off feature, and beep alerts. It is also a dual-voltage hair styling device. This device has overwhelmingly positive reviews because it is incredibly easy to use, it creates gorgeous tight curls, and these curls last. The cord it comes in has a nice length. The device itself is relatively lightweight and easy to use, and it heats up really fast. The adjustable heat settings make it ideal for both creating different types of curls, and using it on different hair types. The only thing that you should watch out for is the fact that if you use a lot of hair, it can get stuck. But other than that, this is a great hair curler. Use the link below to check it out. At number 2 is the Lena Gene Curl Auto Hair Curling Wand. This popular and highly rated automatic curling wand is really easy to use, has a heat protection cover for safe styling, and it spins in both directions. Its heating surface has a ceramic coating, and it also has tool-in crystals. Both of these things enhance styling results and prevent any risks of snagging. They are also the reason why this curling wand creates gorgeous and healthy-looking curls. The fact that it has smart sensors to keep your hair from getting stuck, and that it has both dual voltage and a 60-minute auto shut-off feature, make it one of the best hair styling tools in the market. And while it works for long hair, people with short to medium hair really love it. The Mix Color Auto-Rotating Hair Curler comes in at the 3rd position. This curling iron is both ionic and ceramic. It has dual voltage, and it is really great at creating professional-grade hair curling results. It is safe, easy to use, and fast. It heats up in just 30 seconds, and it has adjustable temperature settings. And you will appreciate the fact that it has enough insulation to prevent any chances of accidental burns. What people really love is the fact that it creates lasting results, and that the curling process is extremely easy and fast. Its only downside is that while it can still curl short hair, it is more suited to curling medium and long hair. The Braun Snail Automatic Hair Curler is the 4th best curler in the market. Like the other curlers on this list, it is incredibly easy to use, has a convenient digital display, and has a ceramic-coated surface. The curler is highly rated, heats up fast, has a 360-degree cord, and has an automatic shut-off feature. You will love it because it works on both thick and fine hair, and also because it does not pull or tangle your hair. The only problem that some users face is that it sometimes does not grasp hair as easily as the other curlers in this list. But other than that, this is a good curler. At the 5th place is the MKBU Automatic Curling Iron. This hair curler is ionic, has a ceramic heater and an LED digital display. It comes with a 360-degree swivel cord and features highly adjustable heat settings. With this curler, you have 3 options for curling directions. You can set it to rotate to the left, right, or simply put it on auto. It creates curls with a higher curl definition, and these curls tend to last for a whole day. It reduces static, eliminates frizz, and it doesn't snag your hair. The warning beeps are a good warning system, although they can sometimes get annoying. And since it is generally a really good curler, it is worth the money. These are the 5 best automatic hair curlers in the market. They have positive reviews, generally good ratings, and more importantly, they work. Use the links in the description box below to check them out and learn more about them. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video. Bye.